how to reset a kid smoke alarm. In this video, I'll show you how to reset a kid smoke alarm. So to get started, go ahead and proceed first with the standard kiddie smoke alarm reset. So to do that, power off the unit. If it's battery operated, remove the battery. If it's hardwired, turn off power at the circuit breaker, and then after that, press and hold the task button. Hold for 15 to 20 seconds to discharge any residual charge. And then after that, reinstall battery or restore power, reinsert the battery or turn the breaker back on. Now, after that, press the task button again. A single press should reset the alarm and return it to standby mode. Now, resetting your smart TV is different from resetting smart Kidde smoke devices. So for smart models like Smoke Co, IAQ, or Smoke IAQ, locate the center button on the device, press and hold for 8 to 12 seconds, and release when you hear 3 beeps. This confirms a successful reset, Kidde.